First of all, thank you for staying with me for the past 10 years, the most colorful years of my life. Hindi pa nga kita napasalamatan dun sa 4 na taon mong pandiligaw. Nung college pa lang tayo. Salamat kasi kahit ilang beses kitang na-reject noon, you still prove that your intentions were pure. Salamat sa lahat yan.
My feet. I thought I saw a spark in your eyes.
Sa buhay ng mag-asawa at sa buhay ng pag-ibig at pagmamahalan, you have to complement one another. Yung kakulangan ni Ray J, pupunuan ni Mitzi. At yung kakulangan naman din ni Mitzi, pupunuan ni Ray J. And therefore, you will complete one another. Hindi na kayo dalawa, kundi isa. Ang pinagsama ng Diyos ay huwag paghiwalayin ng tao.
My groom, smile ka muna.
Smile, smile.
Yeah, I am the greatest gift you will ever receive. Charot. Ikaw ang pinakamagandang nangyari sa buhay ko. And I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. Love, your Mrs. Bart. Rar.
Rar.
Shine bright, yeah. Shine bright, yeah. Shine, shine the light. Shine. Everybody shine the light. Everybody shine the light. You and I, we make a difference. I see the way, you see the vision. The brighter day made it a mission. You pick me up, I pick you up, alright. Yeah, we'll be alright. Let's stay.
Hello, Cha, my bebe, my wife. Sana mag-isa mga regalo dito na wala sa aking puso at ipon. I love you, Cha, and see you later, Mwa. Your husband.
Shine bright, yeah. Shine bright, yeah. Shine, shine the light. Shine. Everybody shine the light. Everybody shine the light. Yeah. Put it up, put it up. Everybody shine the light.
Sa 4 na taon na nanligaw ako sa'yo, mula first year college hanggang bago tayo magtapos ng college. Dahil sabi mo bawal pa, dahil gusto mong tuparin ang pangako mo sa mga magulang mo, na hindi ka muna magkakaroon ng boyfriend. Salamat. Dahil sa 4 na taong ito, natutuhan kong maghintay. Natutuhan kong magmahal ng lubos. Natutuhan ko ang mga bagay na kung hindi dahil sa'yo, siguro hindi ko kinaya.
Cry me a river deep, kiss me and show you fear. I wanna see it all, I do. Tell me your wildest dreams, let's fight and disagree. I wanna do it all with you, with my heart in your hands. I trust you and I follow you blindly.
Habang naglalakad ako kanina, it makes me fascinate on how God has written our story. God really knows what my heart desires. Hindi pa ako humihiling, pero ibinigay ka na niya.
Oh, love of my life, you love me so sweet. No, there ain't nothing that matters more than you and I.
Pangako na pipilitin ko pa rin umintindi, magpatawad, at pipiliin pa rin kita sa araw-araw.
So here is my hand that I hope you will take, so we can build a life together that no one will break. Oh, it's true.
Saksi ang Diyos at ang mga taong ito ngayon kung paano tayo nagsimula at humantong sa simbahang ito. Kaya sa harap ng Diyos, sa ating mga magulang, sa mga ninong at ninang, sa ating mga kaibigan, na ipinapangako ko na ako'y magsisilbing gabay at yakampi mo sa lahat ng panahon at mamahalin kita habang buhay sa hirap at ginhawa hanggang kamatayan, gaya ng sagradong utos ng Diyos. I love you, my wife.
I trust you and I follow you blindly. Give you everything and all that's inside me. You're the only one and only. Wanna do it all with you. Because, oh, love of my life.
Yam, I know your future responsibilities as husband and father will be tough. Pero tatandaan mo, I will always be here. You will never carry all the loads or your problems by yourself anymore. Makikinig ako sa lahat ng kwento mo.
So here is my hand that I hope you will take, so we can build a life together that no one will break. Oh, it's true.
Kaya ngayon, kahit na malabo pa yung future na naghihintay sa atin, magtitiwala tayo sa Kanya. At hindi ako natatakot kasi nandyan ka.
That's
I
why
love you.
I do. Oh, that's why I do. That's why I do. I do with you.